Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Gemini, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys, we are picking few cards, Gemini. If you want more clarity in your circumstances, guys, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance, Gemini. So this is for your relationship and this card is for your career situation, Gemini. And Gemini, I have your monthly reading for the month of July in my other channel. So if you are interested, you can watch that reading, guys. So let's start with these cards here. For your general energies, Gemini, we have 9 of moons in reverse, 6 of spheres and 4 of stars. So in your circumstances, guys, maybe in your work situation or maybe in this relationship, you are someone who is thinking about something, guys. Maybe you are thinking about something important, some decisions need to be made, and you are just reassessing yourself and planning your action or planning the next step for you, for yourself, maybe thinking about your future or thinking about what needs to be done. So the right step, the right move that is needed for you, and you want clarity in your circumstance. So you're waiting for that clarity, or you're just thinking and planning ahead for something important, guys. So you have some important decisions to be made today, Gemini. So that may be the reason for these cards. You are planning ahead for your future, maybe about this love or about your career. You have some important decisions to be made. And for some of you, you are someone who is really honest, downright honest. You do things only when you feel that it is the right thing for you, or it will be the right thing for that particular circumstance or for that person. And you are someone who is very responsible and dedicated. So whatever you do, you think about it, think it with clarity, only then you go for that action. But today, maybe on certain things, even in this relationship, maybe, guys, you are a very honest person. You have something in your mind you want to communicate, and maybe truth is always a very difficult thing to handle. Maybe your truth, maybe someone else's difficulty or pain or sadness. People will never accept truth as it is, and it is quite difficult for you to communicate this to that person. Maybe something you need to tell them straight, face to face, and maybe speaking your mind, speaking the truth is going to be worse than doing nothing or keeping quiet. So you want to do that, but you are thinking of ways to communicate this truth to this person, guys. So you want to tell them something important today, and you don't know how to tell it. That may be the reason for worry or pain or some kind of confusion we see with these cards. And you are someone who really someone really kind, and you don't want to hurt this person, and by telling this you don't want to hurt them. That may be the reason you are holding back from revealing what you truly feel, guys. So, for your relationship, we picked one more card, that is Two of Stars in reverse. So, maybe you are hiding something, you are hiding your true feelings, or you're hiding the truth, maybe for this person, and this hiding or holding back is going to land you in more difficulty, guys, rather than help you towards some solution. So you need to think. So this may be your energy or this person's energy, guys. So if you hide the truth, it is not going to help you in any way. That is the meaning with this card we picked for your relationship, guys, Gemini. So for your career situation, we have Five of Suns in reverse. So with this card in your work situation, maybe you are a really skilled and talented person, but still there may be some delays or some some suspensions in your work. Something may not go as expected. So there is a lot of competition also for you in your work situation, guys. So you need to concentrate in your work if you want success and happiness in your career situation, Gemini. So that is the reading with these cards, Gemini. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, guys, please stay tuned for the Pick a Card Love reading that is coming up right now, Gemini. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds. Okay, guys, so now let's start with this card. So I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this card, it says Sacred Phoenix Heart. So with this card, guys, in your circumstances, you have faced a lot in your life. You have gone through a lot of difficulties, gone through a lot of trials, and you have endured confusion and uncertainty in your life for many years, and you were you were looking for an oasis, that freedom and relief all along. So the answers you seek or the freedom you look for is not far away, guys, and it is coming towards you, and you are going to get that clarity and happiness very soon. So you need not worry or you need not feel sad anymore. And this oracle comes with a special guidance, guys. Whatever you were going through, maybe you were going through a lot of pain, difficulty, and you were crying. Whatever it was, your sadness or all that stress, pain is going to be the foundation for something that is going to be changing or transforming in your life. And your life is divinely aligned and you are going to be more alive than before. So you must be prepared to let your old version of yourself just leave you. And what does that mean? What does that mean to say that we are letting that old version go away? It just means that letting go of the opinions or doubts, despair and fears that we have in our life. And A great transformation is coming your way, guys. So you can rest assured, be happy for that. And this oracle also comes with a special guidance regarding divine timing. So, all your dreams and goals, whatever you had, your time is fast approaching. And maybe you are in that greatest confusion of your life or greatest darkness. But don't forget that deepest darkness of the night is the closest to the newest dawn. So you should not forget that, and don't turn back, don't turn yourself away from progress. So even your next step will be something breathtaking, or it may be something like a breakthrough in your life, guys. So you should not forget that. So at that appropriate timing, whatever is supposed to be yours will always be yours, and it is coming towards you. And this is the time for positive transformation in your life, guys. So that is what I see with this card. For those who chose this card, so in your relationship or in your career or personal life, great changes are coming towards you, guys. You should not forget that. So that is the reading with this card, guys. So let's see what is the second card. So for those who chose this card, the second card, it is Yang. So with this card, the energy is that maybe today you are in that, you are having that creative power to make things happen, and you are the one who will make the right actions. So maybe in this relationship or in your personal life, you need to decide on something, or you need to take up some activity. There is no one better than you for that job, guys. So you have that power and energy to propel forward in your life, and this is the perfect time for you to act. And circumstances are supporting your action. And today in this relationship, maybe if you are interested in this person, if you are thinking of marriage or proposal, it is okay to make the first move. Trust that you will know where you are and where your relationship stands, guys. So in the matters of this relationship, there is movement towards that highest good. So you can move forward with assurance. Be assured that whatever activity you do is going to be the right thing for you, and passion is in the air, love is in the air, and it is the time to dance to the tune of love. So it is time to take the lead in this relationship right now. So if you are thinking of marriage or proposal, commitment, you can take that first step towards that in this connection, and that is going to work in your favor, guys. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys, for you all. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.